Hello everybody, welcome back to another episode. Tonight I am so happy to be making this one, and this is because yes, once again we are talking about HYLIION, but this time we are not calling it Shell stock or SHLL stock, and that is because the merger has gone through. Tonight we are looking at the same stock under the name of HYLIION Holdings Corp. So I know this is probably not new news to you guys, but of course I've not made a video for the past few days. I'm very sorry about that one, but yes, we're looking at HYLN stock now. So it's called HYLN stock. The merger's gone through. The company is now HYLION stock. Very, very, very nice to see this one actually going through. So yeah, we're going to be talking about what the company does, what this means to the company now it's gone through, why the stock is selling off, and what I can see the stock doing in the future. Just before we do start looking at the stock and analysing it, I just need to state I am no financial advisor, nor am I a stock analyst. I am just somebody on the internet who has an opinion, and this is just my opinion on what the company is going to do in the next few weeks, or what the company might do in the next few weeks and months and years. So just whilst we're here and you guys are here, please do subscribe. We're trying to get to 1,000 subscribers. You can see here 345. We're obviously almost halfway there now, so if you guys can help us to get all the way there, share this with your friends and your family and whatnot, and just help me to get this video out there and help me to get the channel out there. The more of you guys subscribe, the more of you guys I can help, because the more YouTube recommends these videos to other people. So yeah, HYLIION stock. Let's have a look at what the stock has been doing over the past few days. So of course, looking at the 5-day, let's just go into that. We can see the stock is actually down. We hit highs this week of $41.60. Ever since that high, really, we've seen a sell-off. Of course, we did get a little bit of a bounce back at the price of $40.08, and basically we heightened out to a price of $40.68. Ever since then, really, we've been downhill, unfortunately, and now we have seen a big sell-off from this hour, I believe it is, on the Friday. So Friday did see a big sell-off, and I'm going to be talking about this and why. So of course, looking on the 1 day, pretty flat but pretty downhill as well. 1 month is actually downhill, which is quite unfortunate, and I think it's really these past few days which has tipped us into the red for this month, because before that we were actually in the green, but of course the stock's been selling off, and that has been forcing the price down and pushing us into the red. So still on the 6 month we are quite in the green, quite a lot actually. You can see the stock still had an explosive growth, but ever since really this point of around, I would say 55.85, we haven't really seen the stock do too much. We didn't even see a high here, because this high point, which looks like it could have been a new high, it wasn't. It was only 53.51, and really ever since then we've not seen good news for the stock. Well, not necessarily not seen good news, but just not seen good action to go with the news that's been coming out. So yeah, my reasoning for this is, I would say it's probably because the hype has kind of died down now, because the merger's obviously gone through. A lot of people will have been swing trading this, a lot of institutions will have been holding this, in my opinion, and they have basically taken their profits and been happy with it. Because when we look at this stock, let's have a look at even from this point here, which was 14th of August, we can still see if we'd have sold out at this high of around, let's just call it the $53 point, we'd have been up 118%. So why would you not sell if you're an institution? You've clearly made quite a nice amount of money, or even if you're swing trading. So now let's talk about what the company does really quick. I just want to say thank you, HYLIION, for this nice new website. It did not look like this last week. I think it does look quite nice the way it's been done. Tell me what you guys think of the new website in the comment section. I know it's not really too different, but you know. So yeah, we can see that what they do is, HYLIION produces electrified powertrain systems that can augment or fully replace traditional diesel and natural gas engines. So what does this mean? It basically means that the company can fit electric truck powertrains to previously existing trucks. So trucks can already be built, and then the truck company can basically go and put on an electric motor and turn it into an electric truck. Benefits of this are saving costs and whatnot, also making the truck more efficient because you use electricity, saving fuel costs, and of course helping the brand which runs the truck to build a good reputation of caring about the environment, as they are using zero emissions vehicles. On top of this, we have the Hypertruck ERX, HYLIION's own truck, which is set to be coming out, I believe it is either 2021 or 2022. I believe this will impact the stock price as well, because when this one does come out, of course they'll be selling their own trucks, which is a new market sector for HYLIION. So yeah, this Market Watch article basically explains, well, at least tells us what has been going on. So the title really does sum it up. HYLIION stock down more than 9% on trading debut. Not very nice to see a stock down this far, but of course we have seen some bad news around the markets in general. A lot of stocks have been selling off. We've had Donald Trump testing positive for coronavirus, not really good news. either. And of course, that uncertainty has also forced a lot of stocks down. So looking to what I can see the stock doing in the coming weeks, months and years, honestly in the next few weeks or days at least, I can see the stock going to even lower lows because the hype has died down and of course we have uncertainty in the market with what's happening with Donald Trump and whatnot. And a lot of stocks are taking a hit at the minute. I believe this Market Watch article had quite the funny comment section where it says, well, at least we know reverse works. Forward gears, not so much. Of course, I found that one quite a little bit funny because that's referring to the price, as the price has been taking a hit. But yeah, I believe this has got a lot of, reasoning behind it is the news and what's been going on recently with quite unfortunate news we have been seeing in the market. But I believe we can see this one turn around over the next few weeks, months and years. Now, if I was looking into buying in the stock, if it was me, now of course I'm no financial advisor, but I would say leave this one a few days and just see what goes on. You guys tell me what you would do in the comment section. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please do leave that like. Please subscribe. I will see you in the next one. Goodbye for now.